Akramenanupayena karmarambho na siddhyati. A project started without proper order and planning doesn't succeed. Welcome to Life Skills from Sanskrit, Wisdom Bits. This piece of literature lets us know the importance of organizing, planning, and then putting things into action. What it means is, it doesn't matter if you're taking on a very big project or a small project. What you need to do is, you need to make sure you thought things through and you put everything in proper steps and order. And if you follow those orders, steps, then and only then your project will succeed. If you don't do it, then definitely it is going to be chaotic. You might achieve results, you might succeed, but then it will take you significantly more time and energy in completing the project. So you want to make sure you're well prepared and well planned before you venture into starting new projects. Akramenanupayena karmarambho na siddhyati. A project started without proper order and planning does not succeed. Thank you for joining me today. Stay positive, stay tuned.